public access program.
Does not.
This cable station
or its
does not.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to complete the unboxing of our 2019 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350R. You can click the link above to check out the first part of the unboxing of our GT350R, where we focused on the outside, removing a lot of the stickers, shipping styrofoam, etc. Today we are focusing on the interior, completing the unboxing process and getting this thing ready to drive. There is one other issue with our GT350R. It will not pass smog. We're going to discuss that as well. Why won't it pass smog? And we actually had a similar problem with our 2012 Shelby American GT350. It wouldn't pass smog either here in California. What's going on? So let's complete the unboxing process first, and then we can quickly discuss why won't either of these two cars pass California smog. In the first part of the unboxing video, we already quote-unquote unboxed our carbon fiber wheels for the Shelby GT350R. We're going to save these for track days. For street driving, we are running our 2017 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 wide body. Well, I should say what were previously the OEM wheels before we transformed it to a wide body. These are the stock 2017 Shelby GT350 wheels. And when we sold the wide body, the owner took the Forge line, obviously wider wheels, because they accompanied wider wheels and tires, and we held on to these as our daily driver wheels and tires for the Shelby GT350R, and we are running these stock Super Sports that came with the 2017 GT350 wheels. So it works perfectly with this vehicle, great for street driving. You can click the link above, and if you want, you can check out some facts and some interesting information about our wide body GT350. Okay, so this is it. Technically, this is the last part of the unboxing of the GT350R. We've already had an unboxing video. The car was a non-dealer prepped vehicle that we had shipped directly to us. So we've already finished the process of unboxing most of it. This is the last part, the window sticker. We're finally gonna get the car smogged. We're finally gonna drive it. And I'm gonna explain to you in a little while. Okay, let's get our window sticker. And the window sticker is officially off of the car. Here it is. You know what? That's it. The unboxing of our 2019 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350R is now complete. We have every single piece of plastic and sticker possible, and I'm gonna find some kind of creative way to make a memory book with this. I know this sounds ridiculous, but we are definitely gonna keep this, kind of put it in some kind of nice memory book with plastic covers, just to share with my sons, and hopefully we'll have the car for a long time to show them to appreciate those types of things and to take care of your things. And I think that's kind of a cool little thing. Now, again, they may not care, but at the same time, it might be worth showing to them. Well, that's it. It is now ready to drive, except for the fact that we cannot smog this thing. And we had the same type of problem with the 2012 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 from Shelby American. This vehicle was purchased in Florida as a Mustang GT and then sent to Shelby American where they transformed it. So I'm not sure how that plays into a part of it. This one came directly from Ford and it won't smog here either. So it seems like the cars that are purchased or picked up out of state have an issue being smogged. Why won't either of these two cars pass California smog? Thank you again so much.
Public access. Public access. Public access.